Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. And to get started, we will need the SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out on the ends, and well, it should work just as well. So once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right over here as you can see. And when you push it in, the tray will pop out. Take it out. Now when you take it out while looking at the screen, you will need to flip it over, and here you have space for two different SIM cards, or one SIM and one SD. So if you're planning to use two SIM cards, you would just place a SIM card on the SD tray like so, but if you're using one of each, simply move that over, and then you can place the SD card on here like so. And then when inserting this back into the device, I recommend you flip the device instead of the cards, because they will just fall out. So I just pop it back in here. There we go. And you can see there's the pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM is working. No, thank you. And SD card is working just as well, as you can see right over here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.